Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Keel Dyken here. So we have the brand new Turtle Beach. This is the Velocity Race One, or VelocityOne racing wheel and pedal system. I was just checking it out here at Best Buy. I'm not going to pick this up today, but I just wanted to show it off because I thought it was cool. And the other good thing is it says that it's compatible for the Xbox and PC. Now, the one thing that does make me curious about this unit is, will it work for games such as Need for Speed and other various games that are on the Xbox that don't support steering wheel? So even though you have your game systems like this or your steering wheel controllers that would work for Xbox and PC, a lot of these won't work for specified games. And of course, Need for Speed Hot Pursuit, one of my favorite racing games of all time, it is on Xbox. Years ago, I bought one of the other steering wheels here, one of the other I think it was the Logitech ones, something like this. Never got around to uploading that video. However, it didn't work with Xbox. Now, I did use it for Need for Speed. I did a little test, and it worked abruptly with the Titan 2 gaming adapter. Wasn't fully successful. I did try it with the Chrono Zen just to see if that would work. Again, this was probably about, going back now 5 years ago. But so it does really pique my interest as to whether or not this would work for some of those additional games that don't have full steering wheel support. Things are always changing. Drivers are always changing. Games are always adding support. So if you guys are planning on getting this, that is probably something to look into if you plan on getting a device like this. But again, wanted to show this off because typically you only find a steering wheel like this if you're getting one of those steering wheel sets, not steering wheel, sorry, but one of those virtual simulator sets that you could currently find in Micro Center. I totally forget the guy's name, but they have one of those sets that, has all the steering wheel buttons. So it kind of reminded me of that type of set that you can buy like at Micro Center that they sell for like a few $100s. So this would probably be the equivalent of that, just in a downscaled, form where you have your steering wheel, you got your pedals, and you have some additional buttons here. But this is pretty cool. If you take a look, you got your E drive or K drive, you got your stop. That turns the lights on and off. You can see them flickering there. Got some additional buttons here. Obviously, most racing games wouldn't take advantage of this. Then, of course, looks like we have a bunch of other racing profiles here on the device. I saw this kind of moving by itself. It tunes itself, so that's really, really nice. So let's see, I don't see a price on it, but these are the ones that I've tried before. Wasn't compatible with games like that. And, it's really unfortunate because, games like Need for Speed and some of the other noticeable racing games, you would think that you can get something like this and it would work. I mean, you'll want that, but maybe I'll bite the bullet sooner or later. Let me see if there's somebody around here. Maybe I'll try it out just to see if it would work, because I do not plan on trying to keep one of these. I don't have the time to really dive into it. But if you have a Chrono Zen, if you have a Titan 2, maybe, who knows? But it would be cool to see something like this with Need for Speed and some of those other various games. Hey, I have a question. You work here? What's the price on this Turtle Beach steering wheel set? I didn't see a price right here, and I didn't see one out here.
I don't think we have one.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
But they have it on display and stuff.
Yeah, because you can definitely order it online,
Right.
but I don't believe we have one in store.
Oh, that sucks. Yeah, I was just asking for people because I wonder if this would work for... There's certain games on Xbox and PC that aren't steering wheel compatible, so I'm wondering if this one is. I mean, I know that's more or less kind of game control, but it's still kind of unfortunate because Need for Speed is one of my favorites, and it wasn't compatible with these. Yeah, so. And obviously I'm recording here, guys, so I can't really pull it up. But I really like this. I like this futuristic style setup. Like the active buttons here. Oh, that's really sick. Hit the NOS. Oh, that would be so cool. You could program that in, like for NOS and like some of those racing games, but it's only if the game supports it, right?
It looks like for that guy, it's $399.
Oh, $400? $400. And you guys don't have them in stock, huh?
Correct.
Oh, well, that sucks.
Sorry about that.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, guys. So you heard it. This thing is $400. So I don't know, maybe next time. But this thing is freaking awesome. Love it. Looks like you can mount it to the table. You got your mount here. That's typically how they go. Really cool thing, but the main question is how many games is this compatible with that support steering wheels? And, you know, I know there's been advancements made, updates to the Titan 2 and the Chronos Zen. Maybe it might be compatible. So if I find a store that has one, maybe I'll get it under a rental policy or something. You know what I mean? Got that 30-day thing going on. It's pretty sweet. All right, check it out. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Let me know. Catch you guys later. Peace out.